What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm going to take you truck camping and whitewater kayaking, basically for my first time of the season. And yeah, it's going to be a hoot, so let's get to it. Welcome to Truck House Lap, baby. It is really cold for almost June right now. Look at all this snow. By the way, if you guys want one of our band CDs, the Shoot Dangs, shoot me an email at truckhouselife@gmail.com and I can get a CD out to you. Yeah, we'll work out the details in the email. And I also have hats there too, Truck House Life hats. Anyhow, that's my merge pitch. So I'm heading down to the 6 Mile Creek put-in, and it's gonna be pretty much the first time I've been paddling this year with a big group of kayakers. So some class 5 whitewater, maybe class 4, we'll see. But should be good either way, let's do it. Oh, trailer problems. Oh, that looks bad. So I'm glad we're not towing a trailer. All right, we're heading up the hill. Here's the takeout.
I'm on my way to work.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, you are technically. All right, here we go. 6 Mile Creek. Is that the, oh, that's just the 9R. Can't believe it's like snowing last night. So messed up. You gonna puke?
No, it feels all right today.
Yeah, the nozzle. Yeah, just stay in the middle pretty much. But don't stay in the middle in this drop. Yeah. Nice! Yeah! I feel like I can't see anything. What's going on, dude?
Rob.
You're Rob?
Nice
Yeah,
to meet you, dude.
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
Same yourself. Alrighty, we just finished up with some whitewater kayaking. Gonna go get a camping spot and get some dinner going, get the grill out. Let's do it. It's been raining for days and the sun is just now clearing, just in time to go camping. So it's gorgeous out. We're heading out Resurrection Road. Alright, hopefully there's a camping spot. It's a pretty busy weekend out here, so we will see. Nice, we got the off-road spot. Tight quarters. All right, we have arrived at camp. So right near the side of the river, so gonna get a good night's sleep maybe. But the kayaking gear's wet, so let's get that dry, and then we're gonna get some dinner going. Probably gonna bust out the grill and get a steak going, so let's do it. When we played that show up in Fairbanks last weekend, someone left a giant bag of Ruffles in the truck, which is sweet. So really one of the sweetest parts about this porch is when it's raining, you can still dry your kayaking gear out. I've got all my paddling gear kind of hanging up into the porch here, so even if it rains, it will still dry out. It's kind of nice. For being almost June, it's pretty cold out for whatever reason this year. Here's the temperature. So, sitting about, yeah, a little less than 55. I feel like it should be like 70 up here by now. Still like snow up in the mountains and stuff, so hopefully it starts warming up soon. On tonight's menu, we have ribeye and salad. Should be all right. I hope. I bet it'll be good. Let's go fire that grill up. Well, turns out the control board on the grill, yes, it's an electric grill, is fried, so I'm just gonna do it old school. Literally start a fire in the grill. So let's do that. This is what happens when you start dealing too much with technology. Stuff doesn't work. It's too complicated. You keep it simple sometimes. All right, we're in business. Alright, I'm gonna play you one of our band's songs. Well, Johnny wrote this one. All this pains I feel inside. My tongue's tied, but what's sharp? Every syllable straight from my heart. A couple of things I never meant to say. Helen wheels, take me home tonight. My bottle's empty and I'm not feeling right. There you go. Calls that song Hell on Wheels. It's a true story. We're not going to get into that right now. I'm going to go finish my beer. Speaking of music, if you happen to be in Alaska on July 4th weekend, our band, the Shoot Dangs, and the other band we're related to, basically, the Avery Wolves, we're both playing a show at Alpine Creek Lodge. None other than the Alpine Creek Lodge. And love for you guys to show up. It's free to the general public. There's free camping on site at Alpine Creek Lodge, or you can rent a room. They're doing a big free barbecue, and the music's all free, so just come on down, man. It's going to be fun. We're playing July 3rd, Saturday, July 3rd. We'll start around 2 o'clock, and we're going to go probably till past midnight. Love to see you there. It's pretty chilly outside, so just turn this diesel heater on in the month of June, which is crazy. Still pretty cold. I was going to film more stuff tonight, but then I met some new friends. They're camping right beside me in the Sprinter van, so went over there and hung out, and it's like 1 o'clock in the morning now, so I'm going to go to bed. So I'm going to show you guys how much power this diesel heater uses tonight. So let's go to my my lithium-ion battery setup, the Battleborns that I have in the camper. My battery level right now is 100%. And you can see the heater is drawing 40 watts right now. Yeah, it's not going to draw that many watts for long, though. It's just like really cranking right now. But anyway, let's see what the battery percentage is tomorrow. I'm going to pull this side out right here, slide it out. But first I got to get my blankets and stuff that are stored under the bed. So let's do that. So you guys have seen this before. You just lift up the couch, blankets and stuff under here. And there you go. Here's the bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Once again, I have a little bit of a hangover, but nothing gets rid of a hangover like getting on a Whitewater river and paddling some cold water and getting it all splashed in your face. So that's where I'm going. So I'm going to get this bed put up and get some breakfast and coffee going. Enjoy the morning around the campsite here and then head out. Oh, and I told you guys I'd show you what the Webasto diesel heater, how much juice it used. So let's check that out. Connect to it. And my batteries are still 100%. I left that diesel heater running all night. Let's see what the solar's doing. It's probably pulling in a little bit of solar this morning. Yeah, I'm getting like about 10 watts of solar right now. So that's enough to bring it back up to 100% from whatever I used last night. And it's only 9:30 in the morning. It's pretty good. Love those batteries. This part's a little tricky. I need to put like a strut under the bed to hold it up. It's obviously not light. It works. I don't know. Whatever. I probably don't need to do anything. Hey, you know what? I changed my mind. I'm going to take you guys into the town of Hope, and I'm going to get a breakfast burrito and some coffee there. So I'm going to treat myself this morning. So let's go put the kayaking gear up and hit the road. All right, I forget to show you guys the place, but got the burrito and the coffee. So it's all crazy messy in here. This is real staying in a truck is what it looks like. Anyway, we're gonna head up the road and go do some boating. I don't even know how I just got this spot because it's always taken, but pretty sweet. I'm gonna eat my breakfast right here in the ocean. Yeah, if you guys are ever in Hope, go to Food on Second. It's probably the best breakfast burrito in town. So this video, essentially, I wanted to just capture a day camping just because I was going camping anyway. A lot of times before I film something, I have not necessarily a plan, but some sort of layout of what I kind of want to capture for the day and how I'm going to tell the story throughout the video. And yesterday was one of those days where I just couldn't plan everything and things just kind of went how they did, and I just kind of went with the flow. So last night there was a couple of people camping beside me in a Sprinter van and a truck. As two couples, and I was playing a uke in front of the fire, my own fire over there, and they walked over, a couple of them, and invited me over to their fires. So I went up spending the whole night over there with them, just hanging around the campfire and hanging out. So I guess my point is that a camera can't exactly capture everything I'd like to show you guys. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and maybe subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos of mine. And we'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.